This is a good spot. Like, I'll probably come back here another time if it's just this secluded. Like, I can see everybody coming from all angles. Pause, and like there would be no reason to come back in this little area unless you just wanted an autograph or something like that. That's really it. There's really no other reason to come back here.
An autograph? Okay, dude, whatever. But anyway, guys, what's going on? What's going on? I kind of missed you guys. It's been a little bit, maybe a week, couple weeks since I dropped a video. Today we have the Jordan 1 Breds, and this is my third pair of Jordan 1 Breds. I'm always happy to get a Jordan 1 Bred pair from anybody. I don't care who it is. They're dope sneakers, so let's just go ahead and get into this. So I did a live on these as soon as I got them, pulled them out, and the biggest thing about them was that they were really tumbled. But before I jump into that, here's the very first video I did about 2 or 3 years ago, and I've taken this video down ever since because I was giving up way too much information. I was showing I was giving up way too. Wow, I even compared them to a retail. I miss my Royals, man. But that pair was super tumbled. Oh, look at me with the red lace. That was a while ago. I didn't know what I was doing. Don't know what I'm doing now. Here's another pair from a company I won't mention. This is the second pair that I got. And to me, this pair was really, 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 really good. And this is what I'll be comparing. Can't leave out the patents. Patents are hard, man. I don't care what y'all say. But I will be comparing that last pair of Breds, not the patents, but the pair before, to this pair right here. And again, like I was saying, they're very tumbled. For me, I like the very tumbled look, and if that's what they were looking like retail, that would kind of be the standard. But the more and more I look at it, it's kind of like that scaly tumble. It's not like a soft. Well, it's soft, but I thought it was soft till I had the other pair in my hand. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. Toe box shape looks perfect. The whole shape of the shoe looks really, really, really good. So shout out to the gifter for sending these through. I just love when people hit me up and on IG they say, yo, you want a free Bred? I'm like, yep, give us this day our daily Bred. So again, I'm just going over the details of it. Very, very tumbled, very, very tumbled. And the black leather too, there is a difference with the black leather compared to the other one. Here's the other shoe. I'm just trying to go through this quick. So the comparison videos are kind of long, and I'm going to keep you guys here all day. All right, so now let's go ahead and jump into the other pair is what we're going to call it. Just the other pair. It's laced up, so they'll be easy to differentiate. And if I can get to it, man, come on, man, pull them out the box. I haven't worn them in a long time. All right, so this is the other pair, and right off the bat, what I noticed is the color of the reds are two different reds. And even the black leather is a different shade of black to me. Like if you just look at them closely, the reds are different, and the other pair just has a softer touch to it. So if you look at the heel right there, it's like all the same from the upper part to the lower parts of it. Even the swoosh, it's like they used one solid piece. Now again, here's the other pair, and you can just kind of see how they're even a little, the texture of the red is a bit more shinier. There you go. See, that's a good way to look at them right there. The one on the right's the other. Man, the holes even look a little bit different now that I'm looking at them. But yeah, look at that toe box. The one on the right, that's the other. It's just it's a little bit more vibrant, and to me, it just looks softer. And yeah, I know the other one's tumbled. Just because the shoe is tumbled doesn't mean it's soft tumbled leather. I have some Jordans from like '09, and they look tumbled, but they're hard as heck. I couldn't even toe box reshape them. There's the toe box on that. That one's a little bit more laid back because I've been wearing them. That's the pair I just got from today's gifter. Just another close-up of the tumbledness. See, look how soft that looks on the other. And I'm just comparing here. I'm not saying one's better than the other. I'm just giving you guys a comparison because on the live, we were thinking that they were 100. But it turns out there are some differences. And I'm going to be careful when I say these things. So let's go look in the black light. And I'll just kind of breeze through this because there was nothing on either pair. No stamps, no stitching marks. There was nothing, so we'll go through it really quick here. Here comes the other pair here in a second. See nothing on the gifted pair. Here's the other. Nothing on this one as well. So I appreciate that from both you guys. But like I said, there were some differences. I couldn't put my finger on it that night. But there you have it. Run all that back to see it again. Peace, love, and light.
Yo, this really sucks. Look, I got out, got the camera, right? Then I went in here. Damn! I haven't made this freaking mistake in a long time. And I could probably use the SD card from the drone. Yeah, I don't have a memory card reader, that's the problem. See, I could use that memory card, but I don't have a memory card reader. So I am screwed. I'm screwed. Screwed.
It's actually a nice day.
Whoa, what's going on, dude?
Not much.
Never believe what I just did.
What'd you do?
No memory card at the camera.
Dude.
No memory card in the camera. Dude.
No.
I could use the drone memory card, but I don't have a
Should we
memory
go back
card
to my
reader.
house and get my cards?
No. We already paid for parking. We're here.
We could take your car. Did you pay for parking?
No.
Let's just take your car. We'll come back.
That's too far, bro.
To my house?
Yeah.
It's right down Nevada.
Yeah, don't tell the world that, but yeah.
You're always recording.
Yeah, this is all I got today. This is the iPhone challenge today. We're gonna bang it out.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, what's your name again?
Stop it. I'm Comac. Stop it. Come on.
Oh, you are? I just want to make sure.
Comac. You know that.
I just want to make sure.
Oh my God. Would you get out of the
No,
car?
but it looks good. But see, when you vlog,
Oh, you got a stop step.
oh, look how soft that. Look how good that is.
Ooh.
You don't even have the soft step. Look how good that is. But
Practice.
when I vlog, I gotta
Like
do
an
this.
iPhone 10.
I gotta do this. And I don't know if I can see my arm. And I hate walking around with my phone on a clip. Am I good?
Yeah, you're good.
For real?
Yeah.
What do I look like?
You can't see your arm.
Am I nice at right now?
You look like Nice Dad.
Good, good.
What?
Where are you going with that?
I was looking at the
Is that
skater.
your car?
Huh? Yeah.
There he goes.
You know, different media, you know?
You're saying phones are gonna take over the big cameras.
Probably.
She said what?
Oh, sorry.
No, we got the freaking walkway.
Oh.
I'm sorry, him.
Okay. Hey, you already got that New York attitude, huh?
Of course. Where are we going?
I thought we were going to the spot.
What spot?
The spot we always go to.
What's the spot? This is the spot. This whole area.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, you go. You go.
Well, I'm following you.
No, I'm following you.
Is that a new hoodie?
No, but
I like it.
kinda. It's new for this video, but. All right, so I think he has an idea where we're going. It's not that bad filming with a phone. It's more compact.
See?
I feel like a dork, but it's like.
Really?
Yes, dude. I'm walking around with a phone
You
on a
look
clip.
fine. You look fine.
I hate this.
No, whatever.
It's a phone on a clip, bro.
It's $1,000 phone on a clip.
I love these shoes too, by the way. Shout out to for these. I love them. I'm loving them. Got his trusties on. I know. I'm not even gonna talk. I'm not even gonna talk to you right now about those. I'm not even gonna talk about it right now.
I love them.
I know you do.
Anytime I wear other shoes, though, my feet hurt.
I bet.
But these never. I did my normal peanut butter, banana,
Peanut butter and banana.
chocolate,
That's not bad. That's
with
healthy.
protein, and I did a wheatgrass shot on the side.
That ain't bad at all either.
This is $3 now.
Yeah. These relax some good.
You still haven't been to the Mediterranean Cafe?
I have not. Is that the
It's
alley that
fire.
way?
And they're open too.
Is that the alley?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. I'm following you. A wheatgrass shot?
I do that on the side. Wheatgrass shot. I'm trying to do it I'm really trying to do it twice a week. It's a nice bite.
So what are you thinking, dude? There's no new artwork like you were thinking there was, so should we just do it right here?
Yeah.
We don't have to have something behind us. As long as there's something like moving behind us, we'll be all right.
I mean, you're not going to use this audio because there's a radio playing.
You can't hear it. And plus, it's everything coming out of here. I got this.
It'd be nice if we can get something. I guess this would be cool as a background. These like red chairs.
Or maybe like the traffic going by. I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. There we go. Let's just do it right here.
You sure?
I see what you're getting at.
Are you sure, though?
It's not a bad idea. It's right here.
All right. Right here.
Yeah. Just post up right here. People walking, cars.
All right. record now?
Yeah.
Sure, everything's working.
Yep.
I'm in there, the shoe's in there.
Yep.
I'm
Looks
pretty
good.
sure, bro.
It looks good. It looks good.
Sure.
Yeah. Who gave you that hoodie?
I bought it.
Who's Freddie Gibbs? Is that a bass player?
Oh my god. All right.
Yeah, that's a good angle.
It is?
Yeah, because you can see the artwork in the background.
Dope. Okay. Just making sure I'm covering all the bases of the shots of the shoes. Boom. I don't know if we should stop it and get some 2x footage. Or are we good?
Yeah.
Now, did you have to adjust the shot? Is it too
Yeah.
close?
No, it looks great.
Just tell me where to go.
For the first time, it looks like it's actually looks like your other camera right now.
For real? Well, what do I do with the shoes? Just tell me what to do as a mover.
Like put both feet like how you have your left foot and kind of like go like do like this.
Oh,
Yeah, like that.
I did.
Like your little calf workout.
Yeah. Well, okay. What's next?
Come all the way. Walk past me. That looked dope.
Like
Can I
in the
turn
street
it?
almost. Will that work?
That looks good with the light.
You got it right here?
Yeah, the sun's hitting them.
You sure?
Yeah, that looks good right there.
I'm trusting you.
Turn the other way. Let me see the other
I gotta
shoe.
edit this. Are you 100% sure?
Yeah, I like it.
Are you 100% sure?
I'm 100. Yes.
All right.
Man, who's calling me now?
Huh?
Doing the shoe review. Hey, we should go back to the meter though and drop some more quarters though. For
You
real.
sure?
On
Why?
your car, yeah, because you only put 30 minutes. It's been
So what, dude?
that meter made.
I'm not worried about the meter maid like you.
I know you're not, but I'm just saying she's feisty. she is, dude. Have you seen her? You don't know her like I do.
I don't want to see you. So I got to completely trust Comac's videography skills on this one because I couldn't do it. I usually can do it with my watch, but my watch is completely dead. I know I'm just today. Trust me, I know. There's something to like phone videography. Like it's hard to explain, but of course I would rather use my camera. But you know, you got to make do what you make do. And I pay a lot of money for this phone, so I'm about to use it today. How much is it in all of these?
All the numbers are next to the item.
Like $12, $14, $16.
Yes, sir.
Do you take card?
Yeah.
Can I do a shrimp?
Yep. Shrimp roll away.
Yes, indeed.
Like, really good.
You feel good about those picks?
Yeah.
All right. What did you get again? We got shrimp po' boys.
Yeah.
Oh, these are gonna be good.
Yeah.
They're gonna be
You
killer.
didn't get a drink?
Nah, man. I didn't want all that sugar in my body, man.
Yeah, that's good.
I got
That's
water.
probably Good. I
I
probably
got
should-
water in the car.
I need to start following your lead.
You do.
All right.
No, show me.
No.
Show me,
This
dude.
guy, I was gonna
No,
show
we're
this
give me your
dude
phone. Give me your phone.
No.
Dude.
We're good. We're
You're
good.
gonna show me what?
I was gonna show this video.
Of what?
This guy playing guitar.
Yes, a lie. Show me the video then. I want to see.
No.
Show me the video.
No.
Come on, bro.
Okay.
He's making fun of people again.
No,
No, look,
no.
get us all his personal information. We didn't get the drone up still. Ah.
Ah, that's what we forgot.
Should we do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we got time.
If we get the drone up, this next shot will be the drone in the air. Peace too, by the way. It was super good. It was pricey, but it was so good.
So good.
I should have showed it to you guys, but damn,
Next time.
that po' boy vanished. It existed and it didn't exist. Are you looking at videos again? Dude, man. This dude. Golly.